Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a magic trick. It's called, I don't know, for burglars. Just shuffle the cards, nothing in the cards. And all I need for this trick are the four jacks. Yeah. So I've got four jacks, jack of spades, hearts, clubs, and the jack of diamonds. So, jack of diamonds will stay on top of the building, and then the first jack will go and steal all the money. The second jack will steal all the bank accounts, and the third jack will just watch for the police from the bottom, and the fourth jack just staying on top so we can see the police from the top. So now the police have came, and then the jack on the top and the bottom knew that the police are coming, so they started shouting, "Everybody get on top so we can go." And the helicopter came, and then the jack of diamonds came up, clubs came up, jack of hearts came up, and the jack of spades came up. And they all escaped, and the police couldn't catch them. It's a pretty easy trick. Thanks for watching. See you later.